Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Mailchimp account in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you've forgotten your password, can't get into your dashboard, or just need to reset access to your account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to click and what to enter so you can get back into Mailchimp as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Mailchimp in your browser. You can go directly to the Mailchimp website and wait for the login page to load. Once it opens, Mailchimp will ask you to log in with your account details. If you don't remember your password or you can't access the account, don't worry, because that's exactly what we're fixing right now. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the fastest way to begin the account recovery process. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to type in your username. Make sure you enter the correct username associated with your Mailchimp account. If you're not sure which one you used, check your email records or any previous Mailchimp messages, because entering the correct username is important for the reset to work properly. Once you've typed your username, go ahead and click Reset Password. Mailchimp will then send you the next instructions, usually by email, so you can create a new password and regain access to your account. Be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see the message right away, also look in your spam or promotions folder, just in case it was filtered there. After you receive the reset email, follow the instructions carefully and set a strong new password that you can remember. Once that is done, try signing in again with your new password to confirm that your account has been successfully recovered. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover your Mailchimp account using the Forgot Password option, username, and password reset process. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.